Cold out there?
Yep.
Hi.
Oh no, I'm hitting a screw. Idiot. Oh. Whoopsie poopsie. Don't show that. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh no. My hip hole. What in the world happened? What happened? No. Why did that happen? Why? Why did that happen? Why did that happen? Good enough for government work. Never shoot towards yourself. Ever, ever, ever. Ah, is this thing gonna crap out on me? Why? This thing's crapping out. Why? Come on. Never gonna get it perfect. Ever, ever, ever. Never, ever, ever, ever. Ever, 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 ever. That hurt. Oh, whoops. Well, that sucked. Don't want to do that. What do you think? They're gonna look good, right?
Yeah. See,
It's amazing. No.
No, don't step on it at
I
all.
don't have shoes on. I think Pikachu's touching me that up.
Okay.
Rhoda, are you locked down there?
Oh, my bad.
I can see you through the camera.
You can?
Yes. The big camera looks way cooler than that one.
Yeah, the little one.
Look how high I can jump.
Wow. And move, bro. Did you ever would you pass it? You got rid of me.
Wow, hey, my name is Bootman.
What's up, Boot Man? No, I'm actually recording.
Or are you just gonna
Huh?
turn the sound off of it or whatever?
Nope. Putting this in the video.
Huh?
Putting this in the video. Don't say anything personal. And take two.
Whoa, tripping me out.
He's tripping code out too. Oh, battery's dying. You probably see this in the woods. There'll be reports of aliens. I don't want to wake the kids. Oh, that's what happens. That's what happens. What a fail. You can see that hole. Hopefully that hides the hole. This could be tricky. Please don't mess up the walls. Not be easy. I'm gonna get it. Oh, Struggle City. Whoa. Start again.